Hello sir, Assalamu alaikum. My name is SOURAV and I have another 4 group members. And our project name is Traffic Light Controller using 555 Timer Circuit. Introduction. In this country, we know as population increase in this city as well as the number of vehicle in the road. In this moment, a fully functional traffic light system comes handy. That's why we try to make a 4-way traffic light system. In this project, the traffic lights are a combination of 3 LEDs connected in the electric circuit that automatically functional. And we know that when the LED shows green, that means the vehicle can move. When it is yellow, it means the red is going to appear. And when the red light is turned on, that means vehicle have to stop. All these operations is done by using electrical components and circuit which are autonomous. uh, our first components we need, this is a software. In this project is the software that is used in this in is Proteus Design Suite. This software is developed by Lab Center Electronics Limited. This software uses for designing electrical automation. This software have many features. One is circuit designing and testing, includes all the components for electrical circuit designing, more than 800 different microcontrollers. They have this software, can be used in different simulations, and this software save cost and time for testing circuit. And that's all for me. The next topic will present our uh, another group members, Tajul Islam. Thank you, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tajul Islam. 555 timer. The 555 timer is integrated circuit with 8 pins which is mainly used for generating accurate timing pulse. It is also known as the IC time machine. 555 timer works in DC supply. The working supply range of 555 timer is from 4.5 volt to 15 volt. It is used in applications like oscillator, pulse generation time and many more. 555 timer has 8 pins. These are pin 1 G and D, where all voltages are measured in. Pin 2 trigger. It works like starter to start the 555 timer running. It delays 1/3 rail of voltage to make output high. Pin 3 output, where the output of the 555 timer is measured. Pin 4 reset. This pin can be used to reset the 555 timer operation by applying negative pulse voltage. Pin 5 control voltage. A external voltage is applied to this pin as it changes the threshold and triggering. Pin 6 threshold. This determines when the output is low. Pin 7 discharge. This pin is internally connected to the transistor. Pin 8 in pin 8 in this pin, where the supply voltage is applied with range from positive 5 to 5 volt to 18 volt. Digit counter. A digit counter is one that counts in decimal digits rather than binary. A digit counter is a counter with 10 sequences, that is 0 to 9. The digit counter is an electronic circuit with a 4-bit binary output and an input signal. It is also known as BCD counter. Digit counter counts from 0000 to 1001. When the counter reaches 10 or 1010, it resets to 0000. Truth table of digit counter. Input pulses D, C, B, A. We can see this 0 to 10. D 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. So we can see the state. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tajul Islam, for giving me the opportunity to finish the rest. Now I'll talk about what is AND gate and what is NOT gate and how it works. Let's talk about AND gate first. AND gate is a digital logic gate that implements mathematical conjunction. It depends on truth table and the output results are high if all the inputs results are high. Here's given a truth table and how it works. If the input A is 0 and the output B is 0, the output will be 0. If input A is 0, output 1 B, then the output will be 0. If there's only 1 0, the output will be 0. If there's 2 1, then the output will be 1. Let's talk about the NOT gate. NOT gate is a digital logic gate that implements a logical negation. If for example in the slide input 0, then the output will be 1. If the input is 1, then the output will be 0. Moving on the next slide, we will talk about what is resistor, capacitor and DC supply. So I will talk about resistor first. A resistor is an electrical component that limits or regulates the flow of electrical current in an electronic circuit. In electronic circuits, resistors are used to reduce current flow, adjust signal levels, to divide voltage and many other uses. And let's talk about capacitor. A capacitor is an electrical component used to store energy in an electric field. It has two electrical conductors separately by a dielectric material that both accumulate charge when connected to a power source. DC supply. A DC power supply is a type of power supply that gives direct current DC voltage to power a device.
Hello sir, Assalamu alaikum. In this presentation, I am going to demonstrate about this project simulation. So this is the total circuit, and in this circuit, as you can see, this is a 555 timer circuit, and this is a decoder, and here the decoder has 8 legs, and in U1 here R1 and R2 is connected, and from this leg R3 is connected. We have added two capacitor and one ground here, and there is another source of electric, and you can see from here we have added four AND gate and 8 NOT gate, which is connected to all the here in 555 timer circuit, and there is a total 12 LEDs, and all these 12 LEDs indicate the traffic light system, which is controlled by 555 timer circuit. So we can see from this simulation. I am going to play this simulation. So sir, as you can see, when this is 3 red input in is working, it will be first turn in green, then yellow, then again red, and when this is red is the next one is going to shift on again, the circle is work, then yellow, then red, and this one is going to green. So this is the way our 555 timer circuit actually works. Thank you, and I am going to bring my part here. Thank you sir.
Hello sir, welcome to my presentation. Uh, in this presentation I am going to describe about the value of the resistors, capacitors and DC supply voltage, which actually have been used in our project. So starting from resistors, we can see there are three resistors. The first one is R1, which value is 10,000 ohm, and the second resistor R2, which value is 1000 ohm, and the third R3, its value is 200 ohm. Then talking about capacitors, we can see there are two capacitors. One is C1 and another one is C2.
So C1's value is actually 1000 microfarad, and C2's value is actually 200 microfarad, and we took 5 volt DC generator for the source, for our circuit actually. So going to next slide, it's all about conclusion. Uh, we have designed a full system of traffic light controller by implementing 555 timer circuit, and could simulate the result on Proteus, which is a software we have been used for simulation, and we take LED during these counter intervals. Uh, Instead of manual traffic signal, we could go to the autonomous traffic light simulator, where the controller on which crossway will determine the duration of signal lights for the traffic of the particular road. The controller on detecting the traffic amount will trigger the controller and ensure that the green signal is given for the required duration. A simulation based traffic light controller system is good for analyzing and make necessary modification. Further development would be done for traffic control system uh, to become a more stable and less costly model. Uh, so this is actually our presentation. If you have any question, you can ask in Viva. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.